Hello folks. Well, summer's sneaking up and I've got many events to fly demos at this year. But to be safe, I'm dusting off pre-flight checking and test flying all my machines first. Here are a few. First, we're going to fly the PT-19, then Jeff's going to fly his T-28, then I'm going to fly my Vintage Nexus 30 helicopter.
There's a crosswind.
Also note the wind is blowing about 18 to 24 mile per hour here today, so if you wait for a calm day, you just won't get to fly. If any of you ever come and visit, make sure you practice with your sims and with the gusting wind on. You might also note that if you're not an RC pilot already, but you want to be, then make sure you can follow along with me in these flights and remain totally oriented, because that's what it takes, or you'll be taking it home again a kid again.
I got that.
Yep.
God, that thing cranks. That's one super.
It's on the edge of wetness in that wind. Okay, fly along with me and stay oriented, because actually you're seeing exactly what I'm seeing.
Yeah.
And you know what? I gotta put my skids on here. Help me see this. Good old antique Nexus 30.
Okay, thanks for watching and subscribing. Please stay tuned as I do more testing, probably on my Wankel rotary next.